Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe. We are thrilled to introduce you to our platform that celebrates the love for food and cooking. Chef Mariam is a renowned chef, known for her passion for creating delicious dishes using only the freshest and highest quality ingredients. She has been honing her cooking skills for many years and has created a name for herself in the culinary world. On Chef Mariam's website, you will find a wealth of information on cooking, food, and the culinary arts. Whether you are a beginner cook or a seasoned professional, there is something for everyone. We offer a range of resources to help you expand your cooking skills, including recipes, cooking tips, and advice from Chef Mariam herself. Our recipes section features a wide range of dishes, from simple and easy-to-make meals to complex and sophisticated dishes that are perfect for special occasions. Whether you're in the mood for a comforting bowl of soup or a hearty main course, you're sure to find something to your taste. Each recipe comes with a list of ingredients and clear, step-by-step instructions, so you can easily recreate the dishes in your own kitchen. In addition to recipes, we also offer a range of cooking tips and advice, aimed at helping you to improve your skills in the kitchen. Chef Mariam shares her expertise on topics such as knife skills, seasoning, and cooking techniques, so you can become a confident and competent cook. At Chef Mariam's website, we believe that cooking should be an enjoyable and stress-free experience. That's why we aim to provide you with all the information you need to create delicious meals with ease. Whether you're a busy parent looking for quick and easy weeknight meals, or a foodie looking to try new and exciting recipes, we've got you covered. So why wait? Head to Chef Mariam's website today and start exploring the world of cooking. From the comfort of your own home, you can learn new recipes and cooking techniques, and pick up valuable tips and advice. We can't wait to see what you'll create in the kitchen. Introduction. 1. Chef Mariam, a renowned chef with a passion for creating delicious dishes using only the freshest and highest quality ingredients. 2. Chef Mariam's website, a platform that celebrates the love for food and cooking, offering a wealth of information on cooking, food, and the culinary arts. 3. Recipes, a wide range of dishes from simple and easy-to-make meals to complex and sophisticated dishes, each with clear, step-by-step instructions. 4. Cooking tips and advice. Expert advice from Chef Mariam on topics such as knife skills, seasoning, and cooking techniques, aimed at helping you to improve your skills in the kitchen. 5. Goal, to provide you with all the information you need to create delicious meals with ease and make cooking an enjoyable and stress-free experience. Chef Mariam, a renowned chef who has been delighting taste buds with her delicious creations for many years. Her passion for food and cooking shines through in every dish she prepares, and her love for the kitchen is contagious. If you're looking to elevate your cooking skills and create delectable dishes in your own kitchen, look no further than Chef Mariam's recipes. In this blog, we'll share one of Chef Mariam's favorite recipes, complete with all the details you need to make it yourself. So, gather your ingredients, and let's get started. Chef Mariam's chicken and rice casserole. Ingredients. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 2 cups long-grain white rice. 1 large onion, chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, chopped. 1 green bell pepper, chopped. 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 cup of chicken broth. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of dried basil. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Salt and pepper, to taste. 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a large saucepan, cook the rice according to package instructions until it is tender. 2. Set it aside. 3. In an enormous skillet, heat a tablespoon of oil over medium intensity. 3. Add the chicken breasts and cook until they are golden brown on both sides, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. 3. Eliminate the chicken from the skillet and put it away. 4. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper in the same skillet. 4. Cook until the vegetables are delicate, around 5 to 7 minutes. 5. Add the canned diced tomatoes, chicken broth, paprika, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper to the skillet and bring the mixture to a boil. 5. Reduce the heat and let the sauce simmer for 10 minutes. 6. In a large casserole dish, layer the cooked rice on the bottom. 6. Place the chicken breasts on top of the rice and cover them with tomato sauce. 6. Sprinkle the ground cheddar over the dish. 7. Bake the casserole in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 8. Serve the casserole hot, garnished with fresh herbs if desired. This delicious casserole is the perfect dish for a family dinner or a cozy night in. The combination of tender chicken, fluffy rice, and tangy tomato sauce is sure to please even the pickiest eaters. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. With simple ingredients and clear instructions, you can create this dish in your own kitchen with ease. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's passion for food and cooking shines through in every dish she prepares, and this chicken and rice casserole is no exception. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned pro, this recipe is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. So, gather your ingredients, fire up your oven, and get ready to enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal. Bon appétit! Chef Mariam is known for her passion for food and cooking, as well as her commitment to using only the freshest and highest quality ingredients in her dishes. She is a master of various cooking techniques and has a vast knowledge of different cuisines from around the world. One of Chef Mariam's specialties is creating healthy and nutritious dishes that are not only delicious but also good for you. She believes in balancing flavors and incorporating plenty of fresh vegetables and whole grains into her recipes. Her dishes are not only satisfying but also contribute to a healthy lifestyle. In addition to her culinary skills, Chef Mariam is also a skilled teacher and mentor. She has trained many aspiring chefs and is dedicated to sharing her knowledge and passion for cooking with others. She is often invited to give cooking demonstrations and classes, where she teaches others how to create delicious and healthy meals in their own kitchens. Chef Mariam is also an avid traveler and loves to explore different cultures and cuisines. She often incorporates the flavors and ingredients she discovers on her travels into her dishes, creating unique and innovative recipes that are sure to impress. In conclusion, Chef Mariam is a talented and accomplished chef who brings a wealth of knowledge, skills, and passion to the kitchen. Whether you're looking to learn more about cooking, try new recipes, or simply enjoy delicious and nutritious food, Chef Mariam is the perfect source of inspiration.